now I'm going to show you how to make a bead that tapers at both ends. So something similar to this one here. So we have to be accurate with the measuring again, it's very important. Make sure that you've got a right angle here, because if you've just been cutting beads out and the edges, you might not realise, but the edge is slightly diagonal, then you're not gonna have it exactly right, and you need to be careful about that. So I'm going to measure 2 centimetres at the top and 1 centimetre at the bottom. And I'm going to draw from my 2 centimetre point on the left there down to my 1 centimetre point, and from the edge down to my 1 centimetre point. That's terrible. So that we have a sort of triangle shape, and we're going to cut it out. Now, I'm going to roll the whole of this piece up. However, we could have really done anything at all using the same principle. We could have gone from really wide down to small. We could have only done it halfway along the page to make more of a stubby, shorter bead. And we could have stopped there, and then we'd have made something a bit more like a barrel. Let's see. Don't know if I can find one here. Yeah. A bit more like this one here. So we're going to do the same again. We're going to take our skewer, a tiny bit of glue. I've got a cocktail stick this time. And just secure it before we start rolling, just so the middle doesn't come loose. So I'm rolling from the wider end down to the pointed end. Now you've got to be just a little bit careful to make sure that it's tapering in at each side in a regular sort of way. At the moment it's kind of moving a bit. I like to take it off the skewer to get it right. It's up to you if you want to leave it on. And you're going for a tight coil again. There is a bit of room for manipulation. Once you've rolled it up, you can kind of move it around a bit to get it even. And of course the skewer was in the middle so that we've got a hole, because we need a hole in the middle. It can be a little bit fiddly to roll, but you do get used to it. And I'd probably take more time over it if I wasn't doing a demonstration. So there we go, we've got to the end. I'm going to stick the end down with PVA.